Meet CulturalLens, an AI-powered platform that transforms any artifact into an immersive, multi-perspective learning experience. Let me show you how it works. First, I log into the app with my email and password. Access and authorization is provided through AWS Cognito. Next, I set my user preferences: age preference, gender preference, and language preference. Finally, I set my theme preference and font size for the app. All of my user preferences are saved in DynamoDB for quick and easy access later. Now the fun begins. I upload an image from my computer. When I'm happy with my image, I click Process Image. At this point, the image is stored in S3, and the app invokes a Lambda function that uses Gen AI from Amazon Bedrock to generate information about the image. At this point, I can modify the cultural preferences for the stories. The cultural preferences default to the user preferences. Let's listen to some of the voice options.
Hi, I'm Ivy. Can I read to you today?
Hi, I'm Joanna. Can I read to you today?
When my cultural preferences are set, I can create stories. Within seconds, another AWS Lambda function creates 3 cultural stories in parallel. Now I click Create Story Audio to instruct another AWS Lambda to use Poly to create an audio file that can be used to read the story to me later.
In the heart of a bustling African village, nestled between the lush green trees and the warm, golden sands, lived a young boy named Kofi.
I can also download the audio file to my computer or device if I choose. All of the images, information, cultural views, story text, and audio are stored in S3. I can access them from the gallery page of my app. And I can even return to an artifact that I uploaded and processed previously. Now let's see how CulturalLens works on my mobile device. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to upload a picture of an urn that I took at a museum. The process works the same. The same Lambda-based backend creates the general information about the artifact. I can update the cultural preferences if I want, then create stories, and create audio. This time, let's listen to Ivy read part of the story.
In the bustling city of Athens, around the year 460 to 450 BCE, there lived a young girl named Callista.
Since the desktop and mobile version of the app are built on the same backend, the artifacts and stories are synced. From my desktop app, I can review the ancient Greek pottery story that I just created on my mobile device. And that's CulturalLens. Now, instead of just reading information about artifacts at museums or historical sites, I can listen to personal stories about the artifacts. These stories help the artifact and the culture come alive.